Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science passing package key answers part 10. So in the part 10 let us see the first question. The first question is state Joule's law. So let us state the Joule's law. So it states that heat produced in a conductor is proportional to heat produced in a conductor is proportional to square of current resistance and the time for which the current flows. So according to Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. So this is Joule's law. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಎಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆಂಟು, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್. Heat produced in a conductor is proportional to square of current, resistance and time for which the current flows. So this is the statement for Joule's law. So now let us differentiate between one side generator bariyana, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು side motor bariyana. Let us differentiate between generator and motor. So let us differentiate between them. A device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is generator. A device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, that is called motor. Then the second difference between generator and motor, to know the direction in generator, to know the direction of motion of the conductor, to know the direction of current, and to know the direction of magnetic field, to know the direction, Fleming's right hand rule is used. Fleming's right hand rule is used to know the direction of force, to know the direction of motion, to know the direction of current, and to know the direction of direction of current. So direction of force, direction of magnetic field, direction of current, to know the direction. So Fleming's left hand rule is used. Fleming's left hand rule is used. These are the two differences between generator and motor. So generator ಗೂ motor ಗೂ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಇವೆರಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ let us move for the next question. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮೂರನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ state any one advantage of alternating current. State any one advantage of alternating current over direct current. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. advantage of AC over DC. AC can be transmitted to a long distance. AC can be transmitted to a long distance without much loss of energy. So this is the main advantage of AC over DC. Ishtuna baribeku. Next, let us move for the fourth question. So let us go for the fourth question. Mention the events that occur during photosynthesis. So let us answer this question. So three events will occur. First, the absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. This is the first event. Second one, conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the next step. Reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So ishtu mooruna ನಾವು we have to write for the events that occur during photosynthesis. ಇನ್ನು 5ನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಂದು draw a neat labeled diagram of DC motor. So DC motor the label diagram na ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So ಇಷ್ಟು, that is, it will be that in ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಜನರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋಟಾರ್. ಮೂರನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್. 5ನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ನೀಟ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ DC ಮೋಟಾರ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಪೇಪರ್ 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್.